Hey everyone, today I will be showing you how to create photorealistic prompts with MidJourney, a beginner's guide. We are on the verge of setting out on a thrilling expedition into the world of crafting photorealistic prompts with the assistance of MidJourney. While there is an abundance of advice available, it is important to underscore a fundamental reality. There is no absolute requirement for ChatGPT to be your sole reliance in generating photorealistic prompts, and intricate instructions need not be the norm. In fact, we are here to demonstrate how to attain extraordinary outcomes using only a select set of carefully chosen keywords. I will guide you through the process and unveil the inherent simplicity that underlies the art of achieving photorealism. But before we dive into things, if you have an interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and discovering how to use them proficiently, you are on the correct spot. This channel is committed to delivering informative content and user-friendly tutorials. We kindly ask for your support by considering a subscription. Let us get started. Let us start with the basics. Suppose you want to generate an image of Spider-Man with a damaged photorealistic look. Achieving this is a breeze. All you need to do is use the words photorealistic Spider-Man damage in your prompt. Look at result number 1. It is simply astonishing. And that is how easy it can be. But there is more to explore. Let us say you kick off with a prompt like sunrise on the moon. It might yield beautiful illustrated images, but to add a touch of reality, you can introduce a phrase like sunrise on the moon, stock photography into your prompt. This seemingly minor addition brings your image closer to our everyday reality. Examine the foregrounds in each picture. They exude a high level of realism. If you're yearning for even more realism, you can try phrases like tourist photo. With this addition, it suddenly appears as if you are exploring a beautiful beach. It becomes more relatable to our real-life experiences. However, if you are not entirely satisfied with that level of realism, you can step it up a notch with Dandelion Field. While the results aren't bad, there is a slightly artistic touch to them. To enhance realism, consider using words like cinematic, still cinematic, lighting, or simply screen grab. These keywords convey your desire for something more in the line with the real world. Result number 1 is simply gorgeous. Perhaps the most significant tip for achieving photorealistic prompt is to use style row at the end of your prompt. Simply type --style row to activate this feature, which follows your prompt more literally. While it may generate less appealing images with short prompts, it inherently leans towards photorealism. Instead of using a multitude of words to describe reality, style row can get you there swiftly. The results speak for themselves. All 4 of these images are stunning. Style row brings the best of both worlds to your creations. Now, when it comes to generating photorealistic characters, MidJourney tends to default towards illustration. For instance, a prompt like futuristic pirate captain may generate images resembling concept art. But what if you are aiming for something closer to reality? Mention a specific camera, such as futuristic pirate captain, Canon EOS DSLR. While it doesn't particularly matter which modern camera you specify, it represents the DSLR, which is what MidJourney comprehends. However, mentioning vintage Polaroid provides MidJourney with a more precise frame of reference, resulting in more realistic images. Style row is a fantastic asset here as well. Take a look at the results for Nikon with style row at stylized value 400. It allows MidJourney some creative freedom and increases the likelihood of generating stunning images. These results will send shivers down your spine. There are times when you wish to infuse imaginative aesthetics with a touch of realism. For instance, Invasion of the Cloudy Aliens may generate hazy, soft paintings. To bring this closer to reality, incorporate Associated Press photo into your prompt. Observe the realistic lighting in result number 2 and the traffic building up in results number 4. You can also utilize Style Raw for a more realistic touch. If you're aiming for the realism of specific objects, like a retro-style abstract vinyl record player, you might receive beautiful but artistic results. Add product photo to your prompt to infuse creativity with a touch of reality. The shading in result number 1, the form in result number 2, the physical weight in result number 4, and the stylish design lines in result number 3 showcase the power of product photo. But what if you are yearning for a cinematic look? You can achieve it with just one word: Unsplash. Unsplash is a stock photography website known for its cinematic aesthetics. Using Unsplash in your photorealistic prompt will deliver fantastic results. Check out result number 1 and result number 3. They emphasize cinematic realism. If you are after images that are less polished and more spontaneous, you can use the word Lomo Photo or Lomo Photography. These keywords will lend a touch of unexpectedness to your images, making them feel less refined and more spontaneous. In summary, the art of crafting photorealistic prompts boils down to the judicious selection of a few well-chosen keywords. And if the need arises, you can amplify your creative arsenal by appending Style Raw at the end of your prompt. It is important to keep in mind that by increasing the stylized value, you unlock even greater creative freedom, leading to astonishingly lifelike results. Achieving photorealistic prompts may appear daunting at first, but with these strategies, it can be a surprisingly straightforward and exceptionally effective process. I hope that these insights and techniques have now armed you with the necessary tools to fashion photorealistic prompts that captivate the imagination. With this approach, you are not just diving into the world of creative expression, but you are unlocking a world of exhilarating opportunities in the realm of generating realistic images that blur the lines between fiction and reality. I am filled with anticipation, eagerly awaiting the masterpieces that all of you will conjure with this newfound knowledge. Your potential is boundless, and your artistic journey is a testament to your unique perspective and creativity. As we embark on this creative adventure, I am genuinely excited to hear your thoughts and feedback. This journey is nothing short of remarkable, and your valuable insights, personal experiences, and opinions are the guiding beacons in this uncharted territory. Please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your individual experiences and perspectives can be a source of inspiration for those who are considering a similar path. By contributing your insights, you can kindle the enthusiasm of others who aspire to create photorealistic prompts and embark on their own MidJourney towards creative excellence. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.